Baby, why do you have to be so beautiful? Baby, why do you have to be so beautiful? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song by Walker Hayes that was requested. I believe his name is TJ that requested it. At least that's his YouTube name, so whatever. Anyway, so yeah, this is a great song by Walker Hayes called Beautiful. I love Walker Hayes. I don't know a ton of his stuff, but I love it. So if you guys have any other songs of his that you want to request, let me know. Also, if there's just any other songs you want to request at all, you want to learn on guitar, whether they're country or punk or whatever, let me know and I'll do my best to oblige. All right. Real quick, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. Also, I just really appreciate it when you do those things, okay? It means a lot to me. So, and the channel's growing a lot, so I just appreciate all you guys' support. Let's get into this, all right? Standard tuning, no capo. All right, you're only going to use a handful of chords here. All right, so you're going to start with D minor, okay? This is just kind of how they play the intro. You could probably just play the verse or the chorus chords at the beginning if you wanted to, but I'm going to show you these first, okay? So you're going to do D minor, all right? All right, you're also going to do C. All right, and then G. I use this G the entire time. If you want to do something else, you can, but this, it's just really easy to go from that C to G like that. Okay, you're also going to use A minor, F, all right, and that's it. So, all right, let's get into it. So the intro, do D minor first. Just doing the kind of like down, down, up. All right, where you're playing this acoustically, it's gonna be a little bit different, but you can just do kind of like down, down, up on D minor, and then do down, down, up on C. Okay, then do G, down, down, up. All right, and then you're gonna go back to D minor and start over. You're just gonna kind of go through it. Now you're gonna go D minor. So you're gonna down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna do D minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. A minor, down, down, up, down, up. Then F, down, down, up, down, up. Then C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, then you go A minor and you just do down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. Down, 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 down. All right, you do road all, okay, then you do, here you're going to do C, okay, on all. Rode all the way down memory lane where 65, okay, so 65 is A minor, 65 ends. So you're just going to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, okay? So that's a strumming pattern for this, is a down, down, up, down, up, okay? Rode all the way down memory lane where 65 lives. Yeah, the wondering, so you do rode all is C, okay, rode all the way down memory lane where 60, okay, 65 is A minor, 65 ends, okay, down, 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 up, down, okay, wondering how, so how is C, how would it feel to C, C is G, okay, so first you're doing C, A minor, F, now you're doing C, G, A minor, F. Wondering how it'd feel to C, C is G, C the one that got away, so got is A minor, got away again, okay, again is F, yeah, F is again, hoping it, okay, it is C, it might go down like that hometown unanswered prayer, unanswered is A minor, answered prayer, okay, prayer is F, prayer. My hero, so hero is C, hero sang about, okay, about is G, about an old burned is A minor, burned C, D, we shared. Then you do on A minor at the end, you're doing like after shared, and you're doing down, 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 down. I do it 4 times, down, 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 down. And then you're gonna go into the second verse, which is the same chord progression, okay? So you're just gonna do, remember that C, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, okay? And then you're gonna repeat that and do C, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, and then at the end do C, A minor, okay? Something on the interstate was heading straight for a pretty storm. Okay, so you're gonna start over with that. All right, and then when you get to the chorus is super easy. So you're just gonna, it's a little bit of like 2 chord progressions in the chorus, but you're gonna do, baby, Y is C, why do you? Okay, U is G, why do you? Y is C, U is G, you have to be. B is A minor, be so beautiful. Okay, so is F, so beautiful. Baby, Y. Okay, Y is C, why do you? U is G, you have to be. B is A minor, be so beautiful. Okay, F is so beautiful. Okay, so then you do beautiful is beautiful, C, G, A minor, F. Okay, so now for the strumming of that is you're gonna do Y, do. Okay, so down, down, up, down. So C is down, down, up, down, and on G you're gonna do down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's how you start it. Why do you have to be so beautiful? Okay, so notice I'm doing that like 2 strumming patterns here. C, Y, do, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So I'm switching. When I go through the second time, I'm doing down, down, up. So down, up is when I'm switching to G, which is kind of easy to remember because you're on C and you're just switching to this G on the up. So you're going up 1 set of strings, okay, with your ring and middle finger. So you're going to do why do you? Okay, so then you're going to go on the second time. You go through down. All right, up. You're doing up on G. Okay, right when you switch to it. Why do you? Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down, up, down, up, down, up at the end of it. Okay, and then you start over. What? Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just at the end. All right. So, yeah. So I'm gonna walk you through that one more time, but a little bit slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. So you're gonna do C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, D, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F. Okay, just like that. Okay, so that's how you play really like the whole song. I'm going to walk you through the bridge real quick, but it's actually the same chord progression as one of the verses. So for the bridge, you're going to do C as on I don't, okay? See, I don't think your stomach's, and you could do single strums. I think you should actually just play it the same way you did the verses, but play it softer. I don't think your stomach's supposed to, so I don't think your stomach's supposed to hurt quite like this. Okay, so you're gonna do C on I, don't think your stomach's is G, stomach's supposed to hurt quite is A minor, quite like this. Okay, this, when you run into a girl you forgot, okay, forgot is gonna be C, so you're just playing F until then. You forgot, you missed, okay, forgot a C, and it's like the space is A minor, the space between us only is F, only made us numb. Thought is C, thought I could just see, C is, so you see on thought I could just see, okay, so the C is, the word C is the chord G, see you and be okay, okay is A minor, okay, but I'm not okay, girl, all right, not is F, not okay, girl, tell me, okay, so you tell me is C, tell me that smile on your face, yours G, your face, is so fake, fake is A minor, fake, and that it's as F, it's all coming back, coming back, coming back. Okay, then you're gonna do D minor, which we haven't done since the intro, if you've recognized, if you noticed that. I just have to, sorry, D minor, I just have to ask, to ask a C, to ask, have to ask. The second ask is A minor, ask, have to ask. So when you do the A minor, at the end of it, you can do the, baby, why do you have to be so beautiful? Alright, baby, why? Alright, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's a fun song to play, and I'll see you guys next time.